In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Coda IO, packs. Before we jump in, here's the big picture. Coda packs are secure integrations that bring outside tools into your Coda doc so you can work from one place. The Google Calendar pack lets you pull events into a doc, create new events, and keep your planning in sync without switching tabs. Connecting it only takes a minute, and once it's set up, everything else becomes much easier. Start by opening the Coda doc where you want to use Google Calendar. In the upper right corner of your screen, click the Insert button. This opens a panel that gathers everything you can add to your doc. From there, choose Packs in the side panel. You'll see a library of integrations you can add. Use the search bar to find Google Calendar. Type Google Calendar, then click on it in the results. When you're ready, select Add to Doc. This tells Coda you want to enable the pack for this specific document, so you can safely use it here without affecting any other docs. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Google account. You'll be asked to sign into your Google account and approve the permissions Coda needs. These permissions allow Coda to read your calendars and, if you choose, create or update events on your behalf. The exact permissions you see are what enable core features like syncing events into tables or scheduling directly from the doc. If you're wondering why this is necessary, think of it like giving Coda a key to access just the calendars you use with this doc, nothing more. A quick tip: if the sign-in window doesn't appear, your browser might be blocking pop-ups. Temporarily allow pop-ups for Coda to complete the connection. Also, if you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you pick the one that owns the calendar you plan to use. On some work or school accounts, an administrator may need to approve the pack. If you see that notice, reach out to your admin. When you've granted access, Coda confirms the connection and the Google Calendar pack is now added to your doc. You'll see it listed among your packs, which means you're ready to use it whenever you need. If at any point you want to review or adjust what's connected, you can revisit the packs area in this doc and update the connection from there. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Calendar to Coda using packs, setting the stage to organize, automate, and plan your work more efficiently right inside your doc.